Now we'll want to choose the correct language. To use this, just use the directional pad on the control panel. Just press down for English and then OK. Next, it's going to ask us to set the date. Use the left and right arrows to choose the field and the up and down arrows to choose a value. Okay. Last is to choose what unit of measure, if you prefer it to be in meters or in feet and inches. And now we just need to load the printer with ink. The printer is instructing us to open the ink bay door and to install the ink cartridges for the initial priming. To do that, simply open the door just below the control panel and let it lay down on the print stand. Now we just want to unbox each of the ink cartridges. There's a total of 5 of them. Simply just take them out of the bag. Want to give them a shake for about 5 seconds, just horizontally each way. And then if it's a pair of scissors is the easiest way to do it. You can't open them by hand, but a pair of scissors. Let's take the cartridge out and set aside and do that for the next. Now to load the cartridges, we simply want to match up the color of the label to the color on the print cartridge. Line it up. There's a small little guide rail. Line that up and push it in until you hear it go click. Next is the yellow. Next is the magenta. Next is the matte black. And installing the last cartridges, you'll see the display change from an X to like a checkerboard pattern, showing that the cartridge is registered. Once all cartridges are in, simply close the ink bay door, and the printer will begin initializing. This will take approximately 20 minutes. And now that the printer's done priming the ink, we just need to load paper. So I brought back over our roll media adapters that we had from earlier. These roll media adapters will work with any 2-inch or 3-inch core media with a simple switch that we can go to turn it from a 2-inch adapter to a 3-inch adapter, which brings these flanges out. I'll be using a 2-inch roll of single weight matte paper, which will rest neatly on top of the printer.